So let's move on to exercise number 3, and I'll take this capo away, and I'm going to play lower on the neck. All right, so let's do this in 6/8 with number 16. So remember, you could do any 6/8 pattern you want, but I'll be doing 16. All right, so I'm going to find my G flat using this bar chord. There's my 4 chord with the A shape, and then I'm going to slide it up. So this G flat chord, I'm barring everything, but there's my E chord right there. So I took my E, added a bar, and just moved it up. And then A sharp, B. So that's my 1-4-5, right? So da 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 da.